How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to talk about how to get white teeth in 1 week, step by step. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Please follow me on Instagram, Dylanberg999. So white teeth, you guys, a lot of people try really hard to get this. A lot of people are unable to get white teeth. I'm going to show you guys an easy way of getting them permanently. They'll stay white. You don't have to do anything. So the reason why people's teeth usually go from white to yellow is because they're eating foods and having liquids, drinking liquids that stain the teeth. This is very common. The main culprit is coffee. Now, guess what? I love coffee. I'm always going to drink it. I'm drinking some right now. Now, my friends drink coffee. Their teeth, pure yellow. Like, their teeth are bad. My teeth, look at my teeth. They are pure white. And I get compliments on it all the time. Like, literally, it's kind of weird. People say, hey, you have nice teeth. I'm like, oh, thank you. Look at it. Again, you can see they're pure white. Like, look at it. What do I do? It's very simple. Get 2 tablespoons of olive oil. It should be an oil. I recommend olive oil. You're going to put it in your mouth and you're going to swish it like this. Make sure it stays in the front of your teeth. Don't swish in the back of your throat. You want to swish in the front like this. Do that for 30 seconds and then spit it out. You can do it for longer if you want to. I just recommend minimum 30 seconds. If you want, you can do it for a minute, 2 minutes, it doesn't matter, but minimum, it has to be minimum 30 seconds. This is called oil pulling. I didn't make this up. This is nothing new. This has been around for hundreds of years. There's many benefits in doing this, not just getting your teeth whiter. Getting your teeth whiter is just one of the benefits of doing this. It's not even the main benefit. And again, it's been around for hundreds of years. So it's called oil pulling, and I do it in the morning and before going to bed, 30 seconds each time. So 1 minute I do it per day. That's pretty good to have, amazing teeth. I'm not gonna lie. I typically brush my teeth first in the morning, and then I do the olive oil for 30 seconds. And at night, I brush for the full 2 minutes. I floss, and then I do the oil pulling with the olive oil for 30 seconds. That's my routine. That's it. Super simple. End of video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel.